Well, hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am teaching you the zigzag nails art step by step easy guide. Let's talk about first of all zigzag nail. Zigzag nail is uptrend in 2023. These nails are very attracting and eye-catching design will turn heads from across the room. How to make zigzag nails at home. First of all, we are follow the step by step guide. Number one step is start by painting your nails with a white nail polish. Step number two, using a nail art brush and a black nail polish, draw zigzag lines on all of your nails. Step number three, thicken the lines to create an even look. Step number four, remove all the extra nail polish if landed on your skin with nail remover or thinner as well. Step number four, finally apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. Same process apply to the next your hands nail easily. Number one step is painting your nails with a white nail polish. Number two step is using a nail art brush and a black nail polish. Draw zigzag lines on your nails. Number three step is thicken the lines to create an even look. Finally, apply a top coat on your nails to seal the design. Here's you go. Your nails design is ready. Please enjoy and show your nails with your friends and family member as well. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel and comment below if you want to any specific design about nail art. Please comment below. I will make the video on that particular design as well. I am a nail art expert designer for last 10 years experience. I am a friendly and very crazy artist about the nail art designs. Thank you very much for watching my video. Bye, take care.